guys. So first, guys, we're gonna fake order. I'm going to fake order. Now let's get on the box. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Now here we go. We got this thing. And look at inside of it. So first, we got bracelets and clips. And clip. And there's mini scissors. And up by Melody sticker. By Melody sticker. And all of this to make some things. To make some bracelets. Yeah. Bracelets. Bracelets. Not bracelet. Bracelet. It's bracelets. Wait, what? Wait a minute here. Okay, we're back. So, I will have this mini squishy. And then we have this hockey squishy. Hockey squishy. It's DIY. And we got this little squishmallow. And this is for orders. It's for one. Now come in there. Yeah, wow! Look at this. Look at this. First, we have all of this packing things.
Nagre-remind naman yan ha. Huwag mo kakalimutan. Nagre-remind ng 10 yun. Nagre-remind ng
and this thing, I don't know really what this is.
Di mo aircon.
Oh, it's these.
May manig yan. Huwag kang maganyan.
And we have this for the keychains. So like anything, you know that.
Saan yun? Matigay mo ba?
Like this. You put the things inside over like here. Let's see what it's up. So, like that. It's so aesthetic, right? Woo! We just got an order. The first, they wanted us talkies. Excuse me, ma'am. You keep talking there. I want these. Oh, okay, ma'am. Would you like anything else, or you want a mystery? I want a mystery. I want a mystery. Okay, ma'am. Wait a minute. Wait. Whoa! Talkies. Talkies. Good. Now we're gonna give all the items. But we're not.
Ito yung mga babalik ko na rito, baka mabasa kasi.
It's David.
kami 20 ah. 20. Ano ba yung nagkaibot ka? Nagkakulong ka? Pangalan niya? Saka kaya nilakilagay sa'yo? Mukha mo lang ang wala sa kabayo.
Hindi mo yan ah.
Nag-drop ako. Pagkas ako nag-drop.
Kailangan natin bumalik Makati.
Hindi na pa ako inintay.
Anong pangalan ng classmate mo? Meron pa nung ano eh. Love team dati. Anong pangalan eh? John Paul. Ano? Di ba meron siya din mataba rin? Parang si Marcos din.
Ako. Yung crush ko dati nung kinder ako makayat eh.
Ay, yung pagkain mo dito. Talaga naman, oh.
Ito ginagalit na naman. Sige huwag maingay. Kaya ako kasi ginagawa yan para hindi ka mamatay, makaano,
Kaya
di ba?
nga, sinasabi ko, kung may time nga ako, kumain nito, kanain ko na. Hindi ko nga yan nakain kasi nga, wala akong time.
Kahit bago ka mag-practice.
Hindi nga kasi nga, minamadali kami.
Kung versain, isa lang kainin mo kung ano yung isa kung kainin. Baka ka masobra nga. Kung ayaw mo, wag na kami na lang. Pag pinanong to, babe, kinari nilagay mo dito. Kasi ma-micro na lang, hindi ikot sa microwave to. Bago ito microwave,
Here we go, Ma.
sa microwave, no?
Hindi mo may malaking micro.
Pwede mo mag-micro na
Thank you. That took so long.
kailangan bigot kasi doon lumalabas
Something
siya.
I say?
May nilalabas sa lang.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Happy unbox it. Only I saw it.
Pero mura lang naman, 50, di ba? Kesa nung aluminum, pag aluminum wala na yun eh.
Pero ako na yun kasi magdidipor na yun.
My favorite one. Let's open. Wow.
Hindi ko pala ako nakakatuto.